Hey all, Adesina here for the GGT talk, and the folding phones are coming! That's right, a new generation of smartphones is hitting the market, and Samsung is one of the first on the scene. We'll chat about that and more, so let's get started. So, the Samsung Unpacked event recently went down this past Wednesday in San Francisco, and if you missed it, here's the skinny. They announced new earbuds, the AI-powered Galaxy home speaker, a new watch, and 5 new smartphones, including one of them that folds. Now, the earbuds are called Galaxy Buds. They're completely wireless and will be able to handle 5 hours of talking or 6 hours of music playing on a single charge, which incidentally is longer than Apple's AirPods. The new Galaxy Watch Active is all about user health and it tracks blood pressure, among other things. And the new speaker is all about Samsung's AI assistant Bixby and should launch by April. And now, the phones. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will have 4 different models and they are looking good. The S10e is the least costly of the foursome, starting at $750. It's got a 5.8-inch display. Pre-orders have already started, and it will be up for sale on March 8th. And on the other end, the most out there of the bunch is the S10 5G. And you guessed it, it's 5G capable. Which, by the way, hasn't even rolled out in most places yet, so there's that. And the rest of the lineup is equally impressive, with the S10 Plus maxing out at an insane 1 terabyte of storage. OMG. Oh, and did I mention the S10 phones have built-in Instagram mode, where the camera can post automatically to stories and you can even use the IG filters with it? Yeah. Plus, the phone can also wirelessly charge other phones, which is pretty cool. But anyway, what I really want to talk about, the phone that bends like a flip phone but has a screen as big as a tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Yes, folding phones are here. And okay, Samsung technically is not the very first, but it will probably be the first that actually sells because this baby is beautiful. Folded, it has a modest 4.6-inch display, but when you open it up, the fully bendable screen on the inside turns it into a 7.3-inch tablet. It's got 2 batteries, one on each side, 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and it has no fewer than 6 cameras. 1 on the front, 2 on the back, and 3 on the inside. This thing is like selfie-geddon. All it needs is for it to actually be able to take pictures with all 6 cameras at once, and Instagram might just explode. Now, fancy tech like this is expensive. The Galaxy Fold starts at nearly $2,000, so I'm guessing unless you were already planning to buy both a smartphone and a tablet separately, that's out of most people's budgets. But if you do want to be one of the folding elite, it hits stores on April 26th and will be available in black, silver, green, and blue with varying hinge colors. Alright, that's it for the GGT talk. For links to all we've discussed, as well as a replay of the Samsung Unpacked live stream, head on over to goggt.com/talk, and I'll chat with you next time.